Hello students, welcome to revision session. Last video for class 4th, chapter 16, busy month, unit test 3rd revision. Dear students, before starting the lesson, there are some instruction how to write the paper. Please write down in the right corner of your answer sheet, class, division, correct roll number, name, everything properly. Without this, collecting your paper is very difficult. So I request all the students to go for it. Now, let us come to the point, a busy month. Gijubai wrote this letter in 1936 and he explained that there are many birds surround us. So, how do they hatch their eggs, make the nest? Everything is given here. In this story, each and every point should be learned properly in a up-to-date manner, so you can write down the answer. There are some different variety of picture is given. Doves picture is given. Indian robins given. Then you have to see that soft twigs, roots, wool, hair, cotton wool, etc. used to make the nest. Soft and cozy material is used. Then when you are watching the bird, you have to observe that what is made of a nest, how the nest is made. There are some questions which I have already explained to you. I have given variety of question. Please understand the question and write down it properly. Then barbet story. Some small tree nearby you. You can see that how they are using the different materials when they are making the nest, which place they are making the nest, on the top of cupboard, behind a mirror, on the ledge or on the branch of tree, because different bird have a different situation and places, variety of places they are using to make their nest. Tailor bird and weaver bird's nest. Tailor bird and weaver bird have a different nest. They like the place where they can uses its sharp beak to stitch together two leaves on the bush and put the eggs in the fold of leaves, so it has made on the nest. Then sunbird make the nest hangs from the branch of small tree or a bush. Then you can guess that what is the nest made of. Sunbird of hair, grass, thin twigs, dry leaves, cotton wool, bits of tree, bark, piece of cloth, rags and spiders' cobweb. Weaver bird, the male weaver bird makes beautifully woven nest. Female weaver bird is laying eggs into it. That is very common. The female looks after the nest and chooses the one that she likes the best and decides in which to lay her eggs. This is the story of a weaver bird. Please keep this in the mind. Then all the question series properly. Before how many years Gijubai write this letter? How many of these birds have you seen? Then how many other birds have you seen other than the given in the textbook? So these two questions are entirely different from the one another question. So please be careful and write down the answer of it. Then next comes favorite bird, and you can show your friends class how to flies and what sound it makes. Then our national bird stock is there. Then one picture studies is also given to you. These all points are very important. What things does the bird bring to the nest for eating purpose and all? In these all points you note it down and study well. Then study these all the diagrams which is given here point wise. Later on we will discuss more about our continue lesson. Write well, study well. Thank you friends, all the best for your exam.